Welcome to Factful Fridays. What to do if the vehicle is submerged underwater? Driving through waterlogged areas can lead to deep water entry, causing engine hydrolock. If your car gets stuck, remember the golden rule: don't try restarting it. Restarting the engine can draw water through the air filter into the cylinders, causing hydrolock and severe damage. Act quickly to remove water from the interior using a dry towel. The longer the water sits, the more damage it can cause to wiring and components. If sunlight is available, open all doors and windows to let the heat work its magic. Reminder: after a flood, don't start the engine. Hydrolock can cause severe, costly damage. In such cases, call your nearest Maruti Suzuki dealership for assistance.